quite simple. Give me your hand, please, Michael. Don't slouch. 1, 2...
My little pony, what is friendship all about? My little pony, friendship is magic. I used to wonder what friendship could be, my little pony, until you all shared its magic with me. When I was young, I was too busy to make any friends. Such silliness did not seem worth the effort it expends. But the little ponies opened up my eyes, and now the truth is crystal clear as splendid summer skies. And it's such a wonderful surprise. My little pony, I used to wonder what friendship could be, my little pony, until you all shared its magic with me. When danger makes me wanna hide, your rainbow dash to my side. Kindness is never a choice of life. Once bitten, twice buttershy. For honesty, no pony can deny. You are the apple gem of my eye. A heart that shines so beautiful, a rarity to come by. And you all make fun and laughter as easy as being mine. My little pony, I used to wonder what friendship could be, my little pony, until you all shared its magic with me. Our friendship's magic, and it's growing all the time. A new adventure waits for us each day, is yours and mine. We'll make it special every time. We'll make it special every time.